Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Black Friday Sephora haul. Keep on watching. So I got a few goodies from Sephora from the Black Friday sale. I had a gift card from Sephora from a previous campaign that I did, and I was saving it for Black Friday. So let me show you what I got. So first up, I got the Forever Mood Fine Fragrance Discovery Set. If you saw my product empties, you know that I am a mini perfume girl, and I always get them from Sephora just to try them out and see if it is something that I want to purchase a full-size bottle of. But I have been wanting to try these fragrances for so long, but I finally got the Discovery Set. So it comes with 5 different fragrances. The first one is I Am Her. And then we have Hard to Get, You Remind Me, NDA, and She Was Here. If you have tried these fragrances, let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite or which are you most excited to try. So let's do a quick smell check and then we'll get into the rest of the goodies that I got. Okay, so first up is I Am Her. A quick little small spray because we don't want to waste any of this goodness. This gives sweet and sexy. I Am Her says the most popular girl in the room, and I can see why. So next is Hard to Get. Oh, ooh. This one says they all want you, but they can't have you. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, so next up is You Remind Me. This one says it's like we've been here before. See what this one smells like. Wait, there we go. Ooh! That one is given in your face. Goodness. Ooh! Jackie Ayana. You know what you were doing here, honey. Now, I've heard a lot about this one. This one is NDA. And it says what happens here stays here. Because you don't know what this fragrance is going to make somebody do. Okay? Let's spray this one. Mesmerizing. I am so excited for this Discovery Set. It was worth every penny. Okay, so last but not least, we have She Was Here. I believe this is the newest of the fragrances. It says you sense her before you see her. That's the kind of fragrance I'm talking about. So I haven't been disappointed yet. We went 4 for 5. Sure, it's gonna be a 5 for 5. This is the last one. Let's see if it passes the smell test. She's giving grown and sexy, date night, catch me if you can. If you have not tried the Forever Mood fragrances yet, this is your sign. Run, don't walk to Sephora and get this set. And I did just get accepted into the Sephora affiliate program. So I am getting my Sephora storefront together. So I will link that in the description box as soon as it is ready. So support your girl. No, Sephora has amazing fragrances, hair care, skin care, body care, everything that you need for him and for her. Let's get into the rest of these goodies. A quick intermission. Let's talk about this hair. So this is a wig that I got from TikTok Shop. If you are not following me on TikTok Shop, what are we doing? Like, are we really friends? I don't know. But follow me on TikTok. I do post a lot of different content on there. I am one of their affiliates, so I do get commission on the products that I post. So I do a lot of campaigns with them. So make sure that you check out my showcase if you're already following me. And if you're not following me, take a moment to do so. So this is the 16-inch 9x6 body wave wig from Bling Hair Fashion. I'll put the name up above, and I'll also put the link in the description box. Absolutely love this unit. This is a glueless unit. It did come pre-cut. There is a little bit of extra lace that you can cut off if you desire. I did add some curls. It does come pre-curled, but I did go in with my curlers and just added some curls to this unit. Absolutely love it. It's very natural looking. The 16-inch is a perfect everyday length. Give you a little 360, and then I'll show you how I installed it and also how I curled this unit. This is a very cute everyday or going out unit, to be honest. Like this, she's super cute. You can straighten her, you can curl her, you can crimp her, you can wave her. Styles are endless. You can also do different parting with it. I don't want to show you that right now because I don't want to mess it up because we're in the middle of this video, but you can do side parts with this. Of course, this is the middle part that I am rocking, but you can do a side part with it as well. Let me show you this quick tutorial and then we'll get back into the Sephora haul. Keep on watching. We're going to switch it up a bit and get into some hair care products that I got from the Sephora Black Friday sale. So we got the Ajwa Beauty Hydrating Texture Foam. I've been waiting to try this. So excited for it. I've tried the leave-in spray that goes with this. Let me get that. Okay, so from the Ajwa Beauty Melonberry collection, I have tried the hair milk, which I absolutely love, and it smells so good. And also the smoothing gel. So they came out with the mousse. So that is what I got from the Black Friday Sephora sale. So I am very excited to try this. Ajwa Beauty is an amazing Black-owned brand. If you have not tried them out, this is your sign. I do have an Ajwa Beauty storefront. I'll link that also in the description box. But this is the foam. I absolutely love their packaging. It's very simple, sleek design. I have been waiting for this gem, so I can't wait to try her out. So make sure you subscribe, turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss any of my uploads and you don't miss when I try out this product. So next up for hair care, I got the Pattern Beauty Palo Santo leave-in conditioner and foam. Now I have not tried these two products. Oh, Looks like they gave me a little gift as well. Cool. So they gave me a sample size of the curl gel, which I also have not tried. I do have the I think it's called the styling cream in my product stash. I haven't tried that yet either, but stay tuned because you will see that. So this is the Palo Santo leave-in conditioner, and then the mousse. I absolutely love a good hair mousse, whether I'm doing a wash and go, a roller set, twist out, braid out. This mousse has become my absolute best friend. Now I love the original Pattern Beauty mousse that comes in the yellow packaging and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm sure that I'll love this duo as well. So again, stay tuned for styling. Next up in my Black Friday Sephora haul is this cute little kit from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Bom Dia Bright Jet Set kit. Now I have had this kit before. I did a campaign with them and I absolutely love it. Smells amazing. The cute little packaging, I just absolutely love it. Definitely be keeping this packaging to use, but it is branded, super cute. So this comes with the Bom Dia Bright Clarifying Body Wash, the Bom Dia Bright Body Cream, and then the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 40 Perfume Mist, which smells so good. I probably should have got the big size, but this little sample kit was just so cute and it was on sale, so I had to get it. I also picked up some more fragrances. If you have not seen my Vlogmas Day 2, where I did my product empties, or Day 3, I can't remember, I'll link it up above. And you saw that I was out of some fragrances and I did say that I was going to repurchase, and I did. So I got the Good Girl Blush by Carolina Herrera, which smells absolutely amazing. This is definitely one of my top fragrances. And then I also got the Good Girl Carolina Herrera New York Berry. Now I have not tried this one yet, so we're going to do a little smell check now. But I know that I love the blush one, so I'm sure this one is going to be just as good. And then I told you about that Versace Dylan Purple in my product empties, where I got that little bitty mini sample with my last Sephora purchase. So I did purchase a bigger one of that, so I'm excited to get into that. But let's see what this Good Girl Berry smells like. I have to check and make sure my mic was still on because my last one died out. So I had to run and get the backup. All right, so this is the packaging. So the blush one has the pink lettering. The berry has the red lettering. Red is my favorite color. Let's spray her. Yeah. It's definitely a different fragrance, but it smells so, smells so good. The blush one is more like pretty and petite. This one is giving grown woman. Last but not least in my package is some samples. If you are a part of the Sephora Club, then depending on how much you spend per year, you get a lot of different goodies. So each time I get some sort of samples, and the samples are worth different amounts of points. So I got the Sol de Janeiro Beija Flora Skin Renewing Body Wash as one of my samples, which I haven't tried. And then I also got the Dolce & Gabbana Devotion fragrance. It says the notes are hazelnut, orange blossom, and vanilla. So I'm excited to get into this. So hope you guys have enjoyed my Sephora haul. Let me know if you saw some things that you are interested in trying, or if you've already tried some of these things. Did you do some Black Friday shopping from Sephora? If so, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Thanks for tuning in to Vlogmas 2025. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my other uploads. Till next time, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.